That's right, back, and in today's Hot Wheels series, it's got 6 out of 10 in Muscle Mania, so you know it's a muscle car, and it's not the same without the Hot Wheels flame, but that's the usual stuff. Today's car is a really cool one. It's a very bold muscle car. It's none other than the 86 Monte Carlo SS, a very cool one, guys, cause of course you have seen this car in the movie The Fast and Furious 4, right? You know, in the beginning scene. It's not the same one, but it is a Monte Carlo, so yeah, it's a cool one, right? So yeah, this car, we have a lot to talk about it, but before that, I just want to talk about the previous video that I uploaded, because that was a tank. Okay, not exactly a tank, but it was a tank. Alright, that makes no sense. But let me just say it, guys. It was the Volvo A50 Estate, yes, that touring car, which took 3rd place, you know, in the BTCC, that's the British Touring Car Championship. Want to know more? Check it out. It'll be up on the screen right here. So moving on to the Monte Carlo. Of course, the Monte Carlo was the first personal luxury car made by Chevy, and also it was kind of closely aligned variant of the Pontiac Grand Prix. Not exactly similar to it, but kind of close, you know. So that's about it in the Monte Carlo. We just have to go for the looks and details next. But before that, we'll talk about the quiz. So here goes the question. This particular brand car is known for hitting huge crowds. I mean, really huge crowds. So name the car, guys. Of course, it is a really easy one and a very funny one. So comment it down below. I'll check your answers later. So moving on to the unboxing now. Alright then, guys, the Monte Carlo SS is out of the box, and wow, the first thing is, what a design. It is really nice. I know it's bold, but still, the design is very cool, and I really like the paint job on this. The pinstripes are very nice. Here you can see the Monte Carlo logo. That is pretty cool. And yeah, at the bottom you have got a lot more detailing than on the top. It is pretty unusual, but yeah, that's the Hot Wheels for you. The sad part is it misses the side view mirrors. Ow, that's a pretty disappointing thing. At the front you have the headlamp detailing, and it misses the grille detailing, but really good effort by Hot Wheels. I really like the design on this, and yeah, that's really cool. And at the rear you haven't got much. The tail lamps are not detailed. The exhaust piping is really nice at the bottom. It's very cool. I really like that too. So, and yeah, talking about the wheels, it's kind of okay, I guess. And the interior, guys, the interior is the best part, because it has a lot of attention to detail. Those racing seats, the front dash, and even the gear lever are so cool. So yeah, guys, as we have taken a round look, let's go for the information now. Oh, I forgot to mention, the tint is also pretty awesome. So now, let's go for the information. Let's talk Monte Carlo, guys. It is the information of the 86 Monte Carlo SS. So I'm just gonna start off with the production. The production actually began at 1980 and it ended up at 1987. Yes, that is actually of the 4th generation Monte Carlo. Back in the day, the Monte Carlos began in 1970, so it is being still produced now, you know. Well, talking about the body style. The body style is a 2-door coupe, that's obvious. And moving on to the engine, guys, in the base, you get the 2.7 liter Chevy V6. And if you go for the top end, you get the 5-liter 305 small block V8, guys. So I would prefer the V8 if I were you. Well, going for the transmission, guys, you have 2 options. That is the 3-speed automatic, which is also called as the P-Tech 350, or you can go for a 4-speed automatic, which is called the 200 HR. Well, yeah, that is the only 2 options. You don't have the manual. Well, that's quite disappointing. Alright, moving on to the horsepower, guys. The horsepower, I actually got it only in the 5-liter V8. It actually produces 180 horsepower. That's not a lot, but, you know, it's okay. Well, moving on to the length, guys. The length of the car is 5,140 millimeters. Talking about its width. The width of this car is 1,820 millimeters. Going for the weight. The current weight of this car is 1,469 kilograms, which is kind of average. And talking about the 0 to 60 time, it does it in 8.2 seconds. Not bad, but yeah, it is a muscle car, so it has to be. Well, going for the top speed of the car is claimed to be 127 miles per hour, which is 204 kilometers per hour. You know, the 1980s, so yeah, the top speeds weren't so much. So going for the price, the last thing in the information, guys, the price at present, it is ranging from $20,000 and it is going up to $30,000. Well, yeah, that is the present price range. Well, there you have it, guys. That is the end of the information. So now it's time for the ratings. Looking at all of its looks and performance, I give it an 8 out of 10. Comment your ratings down below and also comment the answer for the quick quiz. So I'll check it out, guys, in the next week's video. Stay tuned. It is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week. Bye-bye now. Enjoy your weekend.